All right, look at this. Today's something special. The CBR gets fixed. But before the CBR gets fixed, so when we were down in Tampa, I got a nail in my tire and I had to patch it, and I've been running plug. So I've been running a plug for like 3 months now, and it's honestly really stupid. And I've been meaning to replace my tire, but I've been riding the BMW for a little bit. The CBR is gonna get some love now. I'm gonna get the tire replaced, but before that, we're gonna go burn the tire. Let me show you guys something real quick. Guess what is in this? Main point of today's video. How could I even forget? Do you guys see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Clapped. Watch this, watch. What are we doing? Watch this, watch this. It doesn't even clip in. It doesn't even clip in. Oh. Okay. Subframe's twisted, gas tank's destroyed. We're not even gonna talk about the front end. Z included pick.
Boy, that shit clap. What's that?
What is it?
What's that?
This?
Yeah.
Oh. Winglet.
Oh, winglet.
Winglet.
Okay.
Aerodynamics.
Why is this one? This had to have one?
It's because I like to lean on the left side. I got a subframe over there, so I got a spare subframe. Swap it. We'll swap the subframe, fairings. She's gonna be fixed. Let's turn this thing on because we have a tire to smoke.
He's pissing right now.
Are we live? You guys didn't see anything. Hopefully by the end of this, the tire will be gone and we'll be ready to throw the new fairings on and the new tires. Look at that.
What the?
Watch your profanity.
You almost about murdered that thing. Oh my god.
Come here.
Holy fuck.
Oh, bro. Oh no.
Oh my.
Let me see.
Dude.
Bro.
Why are you pulling strings out from your tires right now?
Holy sh. Oh my.
Holy sh.
Bro.
Oh my gosh, dude, is that caught up in your brakes? What the what do you mean? Hey, I think there's something wrong with your bike.
Oh my, look at the plate.
I know.
It's done. Was that a good idea? Bro, holy. Bro, are we serious? Oh my. GG's.
Dude, what, bro?
The bike was like, was that necessary, bro? Now you don't have one rideable bike.
Damn, what I put? Bro stands. Yo, Z, make this guy tall.
Make me Giga Chad.
Oh my God.
All right, my bad.
Time for a new job.
Oh, bro.
Wait. Yeah, I think your wire's showing a little bit.
What's up?
I think your wire's showing a little bit. Sell it on Facebook for like 200. Say it's got plenty tread.
Bang. That is great. That's all cord.
Are we serious?
Help me!
Keep pushing. Are you coming to help? All right, 3, 2, 1.
Dude, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. He's clutch for that.
I know. Bang.
We're taking the bike back to the house. Look at the bike. She's loaded up, ready to get fixed now. So new tire, new fairings, new subframe. So we finally got the subframe off. My bike looks absolutely naked right now. Yeah, so this has been sitting for a while. We picked up this subframe way back whenever I looped my CBR for the first time. It is the moment of truth. We've got this subframe put on and it seems sturdy enough. Everything's attached in the electrical tray, finally. And so I'm gonna grab my key, and the front end isn't put together. That should be fine though. So we're gonna try and start this thing up. Hopefully the fuel pump primes.
It might be dead.
Okay, so we are making some progress. We've got the front mount bracket on. We've got the rear subframe on. The seat is on. Everything is wired up. So this bike is ready for fairings. And speaking of fairings, shout out AMOTO, because those are the guys that sent me out these yellow fairings for my BMW S1K that I've crashed twice on. Anyways, shout out AMOTO. Use code YAM at checkout for 10% off your order. But over here, we've got the holy grail. And so, OEM CBR1000 fairings. Sheesh. Start throwing the fairings on the bike. We're coming up close to the completion. Close to the completion of this bike here. And let me just say, shout out GoPro. Use code YAM for any of your needs. They sent me a new GoPro Max 2, the 360 action camera, which is what I use to record all my content as well as my first person camera. Yeah, shout out these guys. Use code YAM. Actually, I think it's code YAM10 for 10% off at GoPro. Oh yeah, she's dead. Oh fuck, she's dead. Almost done. Got the clutch lever done, plastics all clipped in, oil change done, and battery installed. So make sure this thing still runs. All right, so as you guys can see, we got the bike up and running. I'm absolutely excited because this is the first time I've seen my bike in an all yellow condition since I got it. Obviously, you guys know I went down in my wheelie and I went down in that stoppie, which didn't total the bike, but I had to replace the front and the rear, so it didn't look like this, but I am excited. But stay tuned because right after we're rebuilding this bike, we're also rebuilding this bike. So AMOTO is gonna be sending me all for, you said and that one? Yeah, and the Grom. So we're waiting on Grom parts right now for that one too. Stator cover for the BMW shows up on Tuesday. So this bike is finally gonna get some love. We're gonna start rebuilding the BMW so that both my sport bikes are up and running. If you guys have made it this far into the video, thank you, like, comment, sub. Let me know what your favorite part of today's video is.
You guys, today is the day we get to take the CBR out and go for a test ride after finally getting this thing rebuilt. Time to see how she rides. Now I took it out for a quick test ride around the neighborhood just to make sure it was feeling okay, and it does. So this is gonna be the first ride back on my 2008 Honda CBR1000. So without further ado, let's get straight into the ride. Here goes nothing. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, it feels so good to be back, bro. This bike, oh, it's so torquey. For an 08? Oh my god. It feels good to ride this bike. That's like all I can say right now. Oh, if you guys didn't know, this is the first time I got pulled over and arrested was on this exit right here. That video did like 50 million views. Good times, good times. A little baby stoppie. Haven't ridden this bike in so long. Gotta regain that muscle memory back. Let's go. There's a little baby one. There it is. Look at that rear brake work. Oh, he's chasing. Oh my god, it's like we're slowing down. Dipping it. Take the turn. Whoa! Lake Jacomo. No. I hate Lake Jacomo now. Like I said, I took the TUTTIO in Jacomo and I got covered in ticks. I'm going to show you guys my legs. This is why I wake up itching them. Every 2 seconds I itch them, putting on socks and shoes. Oh my god, dude, it's so irritating. Oh my god, I'm so used to e-bikes that like seeing that gravel, I'm like, oh, let me go hit the gravel. I'm on a street bike now, I can't do that. This would be a cool little spot to end the video. What do you guys think? So beautiful, taking the sport bike to one of my favorite spots. Oh, look at that. Oh, and it's a bee. A bee just came and greeted me to come and greet the bee. That's sick, bro. Man. Look at that, dude. Feels great out here. This bike is what made me. I've been to the storm with this bike. It's at 33,000 miles. You guys know I ride hard, so for this bike to even be at 33k miles, OEM clutch, stock motor, OEM motor, everything, it's kind of insane. And it's just crazy, like, it's back to its all yellow state, back to how I got it, you know. I've been through a lot in general, like even crashing the BMW, and you know, like twice actually. Crashed the BMW twice. One was my fault, one wasn't my fault. Stuff happens, man. I've seen a lot of people come and go, and you know, it's like, it's just crazy to still be here, to be able to rebuild this bike and just enjoy life, enjoy the nature. And you know, not everything's about going fast and wheelies. Of course I like wheelies. You guys know I love this bike, This was the inspiration build for the BMW. That's why I built the BMW the way it is, because of this bike. It's just kind of cool to see like the impact this bike had on not just me but other people. I get DMs every single day. I'm inspiring people to ride, to get their first bikes, whether they're kids or adults, boys, girls, men and women. It's people of every nature. Besides that wraps up the 2008 Honda CBR1000 rebuild video. If you guys watch the whole video from start to finish, or if you're here right now, thank you. Throw a like on the video, comment down below any thoughts you have. I'll try and answer any of those. Anything that you might have picked up on, or something you want to teach somebody else, or what your favorite part of today's video was, you guys comment down below and let me know. I'm just gonna sit here and maybe take some pictures. I appreciate all you guys. Without you guys, I wouldn't be who I am now. So like, comment, sub. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.